Hello, guys, and welcome back to the lesson on uh, HTML and CSS course. Now, this is a full course on HTML and CSS. Now, if you are a beginner uh, coder for HTML, so this course is just for you. So, uh, this course is mainly for beginners to mid-level coders, and what we're going to learn in this lesson is. Uh, We're going to learn about software structure, page structure, tag, elements, attributes, headings, paragraphs, styles, formatting, link colors, images, tables, and lists. We're also going to learn about iframe, symbols, class project, and many more. What we learn in CSS is selectors, colors, backgrounds, border margins, paddings, height, width, box models, text, fonts, icons, and links, float navigation, list menu, pseudo classes, class project, resource, and many more. So, uh, learning HTML can be very useful for web designers, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And we're going to make a full course, so please uh, stick by and purchase our course, and I'll see you in our first lesson on HTML.